Hi coin collectors, and welcome to another coin roll hunt. This time we're going through some 10 cent coins, as it says there on the label, and there's $4 worth of 10 cent coins in here. So the 20 cent coins and the 10 cent coins both have $4 of coins in the rolls. So got plenty of coins to go through in this lot. So we will see what we find today. I might just move them out of the way a bit. Alright, so we'll check and see what we can find. There isn't a heap to look for. To be honest, when I go through 10 cent coins, I tend to stay away from a little bit because, to be honest, it's a bit boring. There's not a heap to really find, and I'm not expecting to find too much in this video, to be honest. But we'll see what we can find. So a lot of the mintages of the 10 cent coins are fairly high. There's only really a couple that are low mintage that are worth collecting and worth keeping. And that's the 2011 and the 1985. So this is a 2017. The media results for this coin were around 2.2 million, I think, and I'm assuming they made more in the second half of 2017. But at the moment, I am keeping these guys because you don't know, they could turn into another low mintage coin that ends up being worth more than 10 cents. So, and in that sort of grade, it's certainly collectible. So we'll keep going through these coins. Some of these coins are a bit shiny and the camera doesn't pick up all the details, so I apologise for that, but we'll just keep trying to go through them and see if we find anything worth keeping. So make sure you rotate each and every coin. I know it gets repetitive, but absolutely worthwhile if you find something that is rotated, because I don't think it comes along very often that you find a rotated 10 cent coin. So keep an eye out. Hopefully we find something. There's another 2017 there. So we'll put it aside. It's only 10 cents, and you know, when the mintages come out and you don't need to keep them, well then you can send them back to the bankers. It doesn't cost you anything by holding on to them, but there could be plenty to gain just by keeping them around for a little while. So quickly keep going through these. The 2016, nothing on that. Let's see what we got. A 2010, 82, another 2010, and a 68. So push them aside. Let's open up another roll. Keep this going. Got lots of coins to get through this time. Alright. Here's another 2017. We'll keep it aside. I am starting to find more and more of them. I wasn't finding many of them last year, but they do appear to slowly be making their way into circulation. So my feeling is they are going to be a high mintage. This is a 72. I do keep some of these because they are a low mintage. So we'll put this aside for now because they are fairly scarce, and not everyone has one, so they can sell for a little bit more than face value. So, and that's part of the fun, is finding coins that are low mintage, so we keep looking. There are some small little cuds that do appear on, I don't know if we'll be able to see this, it's very small, but there are a couple of small cuds around the top of the zeros there. If you can see that, there's one on that side and there's another small one on the top there. Unless it's really significant, I don't bother keeping it. And I'm not going to bother keeping this one, but just wanted to show you anyway. 79, 2010, 2000, which is the year of the mule, and that one there. Oh, here we go. There's a 2011, which is a very low mintage coin. There we go. So if you look at my previous videos, we did mention that the 2011 is probably worth around, I think I said around $5 or $6. Certainly in this condition, maybe a little bit less. But yeah, these guys at a mintage of 1.7 million. Yeah, keep every single one you find. I am fairly lucky because I do find them fairly often, and obviously now I've found another one, so that's great. So keep an eye out for those. So that's a good thing. We found something definitely worth a lot more than 10 cents there. So that's exactly why we look through 10-cent coins. So I might just zoom in a little bit further so you can see this a little bit better. But there's a 2015. I think the mintage was a little bit lower on that year. I can't remember every single mintage, but we'll keep going. We'll go a bit faster. 2007, 2012, 76, 93, 89, so the year 2000, 2014, 2008, 97, can't quite remember, it might be a lower mintage one. These guys here, so this is the changeover coin for 2016, the 10-cent version with the threepence, the wheat on the front there. So there is the 10-cent coin. I do have heaps of these I've actually kept aside, and depending on the condition, I do have bags of these as well, so I won't keep this one, but certainly if you don't have many of them, well worth keeping, because it's something unusual. It's certainly worth keeping, and will be certainly collectible. And certainly if you're trying to collect a set, this is one thing we do come across a lot, and I'm surprised that I didn't come across any in the 20-cent coin one, but a lot of New Zealand coins get into and these aren't even able to be used in New Zealand anymore, and that's the same with the 20-cent coin. So yep, don't bother keeping. 2001. Alright, getting through them. Let's keep going. Oh, happy to find the 2011, that's good. That is good result. Okay, let's keep moving these along. I'll grab a few on my hand, might make it a bit quicker. 2008, 66. Got there. 93. Yeah, very damaged coin. 2014. 79, 2002. Try and flick through these a bit quicker, just because there isn't a heap to look for. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing in that lot there. Plenty more to still go through. So 67. 71, 2007, another 2017, let's keep it aside for now. Is it 2012? No, 20, yeah, these are 2012. 83, nothing special there. 2014, another 2000. You just never know what you're going to find. Every single time you turn over a coin, there could be something special on the other side. So make sure you look thoroughly at them and don't rush too much. Yeah, sometimes I have come across some nice die cracks on some coins. So yeah, make sure you look thoroughly at each coin. And occasionally I have found coins that are referred to as tilted collar error coins. I'll try and put together a video soon on that, and we'll talk further about that, but I won't go into that now. But that's an interesting error where the rim of the coin is sitting incorrectly when I'm not even sure how it all works, but when the rim around the edge, the beading is put on the coin, it's not sitting in the collar correctly, and partial collar gets partially, well, let's say bald. Not sure what the word is for it, but certainly off center usually the coin is. So I'll try and get some samples of those, and we'll try and show you exactly what I'm talking about, because I'm not able to describe it in the best way right now. So let's keep going through these. That's the best thing to do. So 2013, 73, 70, 2010. So yeah, you don't find a heap, but when you do, it's usually a 2011, which is what I like to find, and I keep every single one of them, because I think at some stage they will take off in price. So alright, no, we're not finding anything worth hanging onto here. Nope, put on the side. Alright, let's try and get through this last roll very quickly. We are going a bit over time, so hopefully we can find something interesting in this roll. Alright, let's go. No. What was going on there? No, someone says attack that. Nothing special. It's definitely post-mint damage. We got there 2008, 2012, nope, 99, 2004, 94, there's another 2017. Hang on to that one. So yeah, I am finding a lot of 2017s, and I haven't found any 2018s as yet, and it is late in the year, so we'll see what happens with those. They might be a very low mintage coin as well, so yep. Got there. No. And Romans at the end, and no, 2000, and the last coin is at 2010. Alright, so we found a few coins. We've kept aside a number of 2017 coins and some low mintage coins, and the pick of the bunch is certainly that 2011 right there. If I can focus in, there we go. 2011, that's the one we're looking for. So keep an eye out for that, guys, and we'll we'll soon have another video for you to have a look at, and we'll be going through the 5-cent coins, and make sure you check out the other videos, and please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.